go by that statement from the Bhagavad Gita that says the discipline and the philosophy are one and the same. Okay, so this means that you're trying to study action in your practice very deeply, and then that will translate into action in your life. So that your practice itself is this laboratory, this kind of microcosm where you really get at how you act in the world. And the Bhagavad Gita does this amazing thing, which I'm going to go into with you, which is it takes the three gunas, the sattva, rajas, and tamas, and these are the three strands or qualities that make up all material things. And it shows, like, it gives you this reference of what is a sattvic action. And so sattva is like purity, luminosity, and harmony, whereas rajas is kind of busyness and worry and passion and activity. And tamas is the opposite of rajas, kind of darkness and lethargy, inertia. And so like this one passage, it compares that. So it tells you that action, it gives you what is sattvic action. So sattvic action is that it's action which is obligatory, meaning that it needs to be done. And so you do it. And then it's free from attachment, without attraction or aversion. And it's done without craving for the fruits or the result. So you don't only act because you want this certain result, okay? You detach from the result. And this is said to be sattvic. So, but then a rajasic action is an action done merely for the gratification of desire. And it's with a sense of self-importance, right? You get the ego behind your action. And then it's with much strain. So there's a lot of strain because you want that thing so bad, or your ego's behind it. And that's rajasic. Okay, and then tamasic action it's begun under delusion. So it's like you're starting off even kind of misguided about going about that action. And it doesn't have any regard for the consequences, for loss or injury to self or others. It doesn't have any regard for one's own ability. That's said to be tamasic. So, but we'll explore that. That is so beautiful that you have these kind of reference points of a kind of what constitutes a rajasic action, what constitutes a tamasic action, and then what's a sattvic action. So, a lot of gems from the Bhagavad Gita that I intend to explore with you.